and repair available now. Is your AC not cooling properly or making strange noises? Don't wait until it's too late. Let us get your system running smoothly again. Our services include 1. AC maintenance and tune-ups. 2. Complete AC system repair. 3. Refrigerant recharge. The filter replacements. For thermostat calibration, duct cleaning. Why choose us? 1. Experienced technicians. 2. Affordable pricing. 3. Fast and reliable service. 100% customer satisfaction. Stay cool all year long. Don't let your AC break down when you need it most. Call today for a free estimate. Contact us now. Phone 962157770. Email info@climateaxsolution@gmail.com.